Hey guys, welcome to my channel guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my real Jamaican jerk sauce guys. I made the Astola, a killer jerk pork a couple days ago, and you know, some of you guys might know about Walker's Wood jerk sauce, and I didn't have any, right? And I was like, oh my god, I want to do my pork, but what am I going to do? What am I going to do? I need my Walker's Wood to jerk my pork. And I'm like, I'm sure I have most of the ingredients, if not all that they use in their jerk sauce. And guys, I turn my hand make fashion. I use my natural ingredients and I make my jerk sauce, and it is a laugh. So guys, let me just share with you what I did, right? So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my jerk sauce. You can use it on your pork, your chicken, you name it. So right now I have some garlic. I'm going to peel about 6 cloves of garlic, and you can use more, you know, it depends on how much sauce you want to make, right? But I'm just making some sauce, put down and marinate, because the longer it marinate guys, the more authentic and the better it will taste. The bullet is a handful of dried thyme, I'm gonna use half of an onion, half quarter, because this is a really thick one. So this half a quarter onion is actually half of a small one. Guys, if you try this sauce and it don't mad up your meat, come to me. I know say you guys won't regret it. I'm gonna put 3 Scotch Bonnet peppers. These peppers are hot guys. Three. Its ingredients: piece of ginger, two tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 guys, 2, oops, 2. Gonna combine this mixture now with a little bit of water. If it is that you have if it is olive oil, you can use it, but I'm gonna combine it with a little bit of water. I'm gonna add a little browning for the color, not much. About a quarter tablespoon. Blend it up now guys. I'm gonna blend it. So guys, this is my jerk sauce, and I think I'm gonna use it weekend. I'm gonna do the pork and let you guys see what I jerk my pork using my original jerk sauce. You guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscription button down below. Bye guys.